Hey mamas, let's be real for a moment. We are postpartum forever and our bodies deserve that extra love and care after pregnancy, especially when it comes to our core and pelvic floor. But don't worry, I have got you covered. Hi, I'm Bharti. I'm an internationally certified yoga instructor and childbirth educator, and I'm super excited to welcome you to my 6 weeks postpartum fitness program. You can join this program anytime after 10 weeks postpartum. Whether you have just had a baby or it's been a while, this is your space to heal and grow. This program is specially designed for you, mama. We'll be combining the best of yoga and Pilates-style strength training to help you reconnect with your core and pelvic floor after delivery. Whether you are healing diastasis recti, want to reduce your mummy tummy, or simply want to get stronger, we'll be focusing on rebuilding your core, back, and pelvic floor muscles. Each session also includes yoga warm-up and stretches to help you release tightness caused by extended sitting, breastfeeding, or lying down, so that you leave each session feeling relaxed, rejuvenated, and more confident in your body. Here's what you'll get. 3 full-length fitness sessions each week for 6 weeks, plus a bonus functional training workout every week. And because we know fitness is a whole body experience, I have also included tailored nutrition plans for breastfeeding and non-breastfeeding moms to help you maximize your results. So if you're ready to reclaim your body and feel your best after birth, this program is made just for you. Let's take this journey together, mamas.